Hi everyone, and welcome to this banded back strengthening routine. So this routine is going to be more focused on strengthening your back muscles using a resistance band. So it is more of a workout, but it is easy and beginner friendly, and it is aimed for pain relief. And of course, to help you get long-lasting relief, because the goal of this is to help strengthen those back muscles that help pull you back so that you're not experiencing any pain in the upper back or the lower back, and of course the mid back as well. So you can grab any resistance band you have, and you can of course switch bands in the middle. We're gonna aim to do about 10 to 15 reps per exercise. I'm gonna have the amount of reps on the screen for each exercise, and just please focus on that contraction and pulling your back muscles and squeezing, and just good quality repetitions. So let's get started. We get started here. We're having the band in front of me. We're gonna be doing some shoulder mobility here and also some back mobility. So holding the band in front of you, you're gonna go overhead, over to the back and the front. This is really gonna help mobilize the shoulders and open up the chest. Next, we're going to be doing some shoulder, some band, pull aparts. Pull, slowly coming back forward. All right, so for this one, we're gonna be doing some one-sided external rotation. So I want you to hold the band like this with your forearms and shoulder at a 90-degree angle. So we're going to pull one side. So this side, make sure that it's not moving, okay? So make sure that this is, this area here is not moving, your elbow is not moving. So we're going to externally rotate to the side and back. So let's get started. Other sides, of course, again, same thing. Just make sure that as you're pulling, you're slowly coming back down, and it's all coming from the back of the shoulder. And 10. All right, now we're going to do both sides at the same time. Now I want you to anchor the band with your foot. So just kind of press in with your foot down, and we are going to bend forward, hinging at the hips here, and we're going to pull. We're going to do a bent over row. So just pulling the band towards us and slowly coming back down, just focusing again on that back contraction and squeezing at the top. All right, from here, we're gonna be doing some face pulls. So it's kind of similar, but instead of rowing, we're gonna pull towards our face, targeting the rear deltoid. And if you feel like you have to switch bands, definitely feel free to grab another band that's lighter so you can pull a little bit more and you have more slack. All right, so the last exercise, we're gonna get on the floor and gonna have the bend overhead. And so squeezing the back muscles, we're gonna bring that bend down below the head, our face, and coming back up. If you need help with deep core exercises, I have a free PDF that includes the best exercises to activate and strengthen the transverse abdominis. Make sure to grab it, the link is below the video. If you experience piriformis syndrome, which is that pain in the butt, along with sciatica, I highly recommend that you try some of the exercises in the free piriformis syndrome rehab plan. I have the link below. This is an amazing plan that I'm giving away for free, and it's a complete plan with video tutorial that you can do at home, and it includes some of the best exercises that are specific to piriformis pain.